What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be installing these gauge pods. So I got these from Gerald Just Projects. They're really nice because this one you don't really need to wire and stuff. So this one you just connect into your OBD2 ports, which I find really easy to install, and they should go right here, which is really nice, so you can see them all the time. As you can see, I got gauge pod holders, but put Polaroids in there because why not? But yeah, so these they can have mapped into many different things, so it'll be nicer. So yeah, I'm hoping I don't need to take off the steering wheel to install this, but we shall see. Okay, to install it, there's like these two screws, which is hard to see right now. Let me see. Right here, there's will be one, and the same on the other side. You'll just take those out, and then this would just pop in here, and then I guess you could turn the wheel to try putting the other side. I shall do that now, screw it back in, and then show you guys how it looks. So this is how they look like plugged in, which, like I said, just plugs into your OBD2 port right down there. So I got the dual ones. You could get the single ones. They also make one for your vents here. So with these, I have the version 2. Version 1 has the sensor, version 2 has buttons. So you hold these, you could change them, you could customize them too. So you have different ones, so you could do different readings depending how you want your setup. I got these for track, so they'll help a lot. This helps if you have like the older versions of the base models of the FRS BRZ 86, because sometimes the gauges are not the updated, the dash is not the updated one, so you don't have much readings. But these will help a lot. Yeah, so these are like quick ones. I feel like this one would be better on a aftermarket steering wheel, because when you turn the wheel, I'm not sure if you hear that scratching this a little. I think that's for like most aftermarkets. I'm not sure if this is safe to use on a stock one. You might have to shave some off. I'm gonna message a guy probably, but I'm gonna redo the steering wheel, the gauges, because with the wiring. I have a Vertex steering wheel come in, so when that comes in, I'll do a review of that too, so you guys can see, and then I'll fix the wiring too. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this install. It's quick and simple if it wants to focus. But yeah, here we go. It's really nice. Good to know what's going on with your car and making sure everything's good. But yeah, I'll keep you guys posted about if you need to sand that. But this install is really simple. They also give you new screws, because thing is, you need longer screws because it takes some space away. You need the longer threads to screw these in instead of the short ones. So that comes in hand. That you need to change also. But yeah, when your steering wheel comes in, I'll fix the wiring and everything, make this look nicer. But yeah, hopefully you guys like this. I recommend this a lot if you want something really quick, simple, don't want to do anything much wiring. But yeah, till next time, peace.